Hello everyone, in this video I will find the value of this expression. 5 minus 5 times 5 plus 5 is equal to what? If you know the answer, put it in the comment. Let's solve it together. The common mistake people make here is that they work from left to right. That is, they will solve subtraction first, and as such they will get wrong answer, because subtraction, according to order of operation, subtraction and addition, they are the last operation to be carried out. To solve this question correctly, we will use the order of operation called PEMDAS. Using PEMDAS, P here stands for parenthesis, is the first order and is not in the question. E stands for exponent, something like 2 raised to power 2, is not here. We move on. Next is multiplication and division. These two, they are in the same level. We evaluate from the left. So in this case, from the left, multiplication came first. So we are going to solve multiplication before division. So let's solve multiplication. So we have 5 minus 5 times 5 will give us minus 25 plus 5. Next is addition and subtraction. They are in the same level. We begin working from left to right, depending on the one that came first from the left. Now from the left, the one that came first is subtraction. So we are going to solve subtraction before addition. So 5 minus 25 will give us minus 20. Minus 20 plus 5 will give us minus 15. This is the correct answer. I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.